years I've been suspicious about the effect of old gas, we're talking gasoline over a year old, and what it will do to a rubber fuel hose. Well, in my last video on bad gas, I had this fuel and I thought I'd do an experiment. This fuel is a year old. This fuel a week ago was new, brand new. Look at how it's already discolored being outside. So I took some good quality, standard 5/16" fuel hose and put in the new gas and in the old gas, and I've let them sit for close to a week. So I'm going to pull them out and have you determine if you can see any difference. Now it's very subtle, but the hose in the old gas is much more spongy, and it's a little bit bigger diameter. I know it's hard to see, but if you run your hand back and forth, you can see it's swollen up quite a bit more. I'm filming this outside because the smell's so bad. I didn't want to do it inside the shop. So here's another example. It just bends right over like this. If you look at the ends, you can also tell that this one that's been in the old gas looks like it's swollen just a little bit more than the other one. And then over here, this is a low permeation, high quality fuel injection hose that's designed to handle this. And look at this one. There's nothing. It's still hard and stiff, and that's what you want. And when you bend the radius, look, it doesn't collapse. So there's no substitute for using very good fuel hose on these old cars. Get a hose that's rated low permeation with an interior sheathing and also rated for high pressure. This is a very good hose, and you can certainly see the difference between these. Look at that. Just squeezing them. Okay, so what's the moral of the story? Don't leave old gas in your car, and always replace your fuel hoses with a really good quality, high grade fuel hose.